Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger rear bumper. First, prioritize safety by parking on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake. Next, carefully disconnect all electrical connections, including any trailer wiring harness and license plate lights. There are often 2 to 3 electrical connectors to manage. Finally, remove your license plate if it is mounted directly onto the bumper itself, usually with 2 screws. Now, let's tackle the main mounting bolts. You will typically find 4 to 6 large bolts securing the bumper to the frame rails. These are often 18mm or 19mm in size. Using a ratchet and the correct socket, carefully loosen and remove these bolts. It is crucial to have a second person or a sturdy jack stand to support the bumper as you remove the final bolts, preventing it from falling. With the main bolts removed, perform a thorough check for any overlooked connections. Sometimes, there are small clips or additional wiring harnesses that need to be detached. Once you are certain everything is disconnected, gently slide the entire bumper assembly straight back. It should come off smoothly. The bumper can weigh around 50 to 70 pounds, so be prepared for its weight. When it is time to reinstall your bumper, a few tips will help. First, clean all mounting surfaces to ensure a flush fit. Next, carefully align the bumper with the frame's mounting holes. It is often easiest to start all 4 to 6 bolts by hand before fully tightening them. Finally, tighten all bolts securely, typically to around 60 to 80 foot-pounds of torque, ensuring your bumper is safely attached.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.